So I'm very proud to show you here from a wonderful place in Koh Samui, Thailand, the latest development of the BEaMEr. And the BEaMEr is now finished, it's ready for your orders. And I've not shown you half until now what it can do. And so how it looks like, see, this is now the BEaMEr, and I have attached the bracelet, but you can also put other attachments so you can apply it to any other part of the body, and it's completely, you see, it's completely self-contained. It's now waterproof. Probably it's even good for swimming, but we have not tested this. So now I show you, this is basically all a 2-button system now. You press both buttons. I have to do this while I film at the same time. Then you see first here that the green ones on the top is the showing you how much battery power is there. So it's fully charged right now. Then when I do this, this is the first button down there. It's the first function. It tells you what amplitude you have. So now here, if I'm going to the top one, hold the top longer, it's setting it to 12 volt. And you can choose any voltage between 1 and 12 volts. So you see now I can, again, with pressing the top button, I can adjust the voltage. Yes, but let's leave it at 12 volt. Then if I press the button below again, then I get the interval here. So now it's being set to continuous mode, but it also is possible to set it that it finds the times of your body that you need energy. Okay, I'll show you in the next function. Here you can set channel 1, because it's a 2-channel system where you can say, okay, I want to have it inverted or not, and some other functions. It's actually, you can set with this 2 buttons, you can set 25 different functions. And now the top function number 5, allows you to set what kind of energies you want to have delivered. Now here, the lowest one is the visible light LED. Then the next one is the infrared. The next one is the magnetic field applicator. And then we have also the Scala applicator. So I show you this here. This is basically, this is the TENS applicators, the channel 1, channel 2, and that's the reference. And then here you have the magnetic field generator, and because it's a bifilar coil, you can also create Scala energies. And then you have the two white visible LED, and you have 2 actually semiconductor infrared laser. So that's the function so far. Now you can charge it simply by plugging in a USB. This is an HDMI. See, this is an HDMI. So I have to film and do everything together. So now it's being charged. It runs, if you run it continuously, about 24 hours. If you put other interval modes, you can have it run for a few days. And if you run it by the mode that finds resonant timings where your body needs energy, it depends on your body. So that's simple to charge, and charges within like about 2 hours. Then we have another possibility to, of course, attach here this cable, and then what you have is you can plug this into the audio port and then download frequencies that we are making available for you to generate, or your client to generate online. So you have a real virtual doctor, and then this will be stored here, just like in an MP3 flash player. Now the next thing is here. You touch this, and then basically you can treat also with the LED goggles. But that's not enough, and that's really the most amazing thing. I'll show you now. You can, one moment. So if you do this, then you have a complete treatment center in a pocket size. Basically, here you can have two handheld electrodes connected, and you can attach here the foot electrode or some of our pads or some of the other applicators. Everything now, it works all together with all of our other equipment, and all this in a pocket size. So you have a complete treatment center, and that's part of my life. Why I'm having these kind of ideas, because it's very beautiful here, as you can imagine. But I know life gets stuck everywhere, even in the most beautiful place. And this is the main teaching that I want to give to the world. Don't get stuck somewhere. You see, even here, after 3 days, I want to go to another place, because my life is so intense. So there's so much good and difficult things happening, just like at your house, but it's all stored in your environment. It's all there for a very long time or forever. And so if you don't move, you don't change, you will always be infused by this kind of information. And so here you have a really beautiful handheld device that you can give to your clients that will be less than $1,000 for the whole thing. And so I think this will revolutionize energy medicine, because you are treated, or your client is being treated 24/7, and he can see how it affects him right when he is in difficult situation or when he's in his normal life situation. So send us your orders or at least your requests. Send them to our office or to your distributor, and let's get it rolling.